What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another scalp maxing series. You heard that right, scalp maxing series, which means we're going quick in and out trades, and I'm going to show you guys my P&L on how I made $108 times 2. You heard that right, times 2, meaning that we copy traded an account. As you guys can see here, it shows the profits times 2. Now with that being said, let me go ahead and hit screen record on my phone. 3, 2, 1. Boom, and we are live, guys. So again, let's go ahead and run through the numbers here. March 19th, as you guys can see, and if I do pull down the date, you guys can see March 19th, 108.90, 2 trades, and let's go ahead and scroll down on those 2 trades, guys. So 107 on the first trade, and guys, mind you, we caught these trades live. The first trade was on gold, and we literally caught that thing live right at open. It was so quick. Second trade, we took a short, and we're gonna break down both these trades right here, right now. Let's just get right into it. Okay, guys, so let's go ahead and break down those 2 trades that we did take. One being on gold for quick in and out scalp, and then another one being on MES for a quick short to the downside. And then as well as I want to break down one last thing and kind of read the market price action with you guys together. So first, let's switch over to gold. I took gold right at open, as you guys can see, for a quick in and out trade. I entered at 45.6970. So 45.6970. Sold it at 45.8060, guys. That is a $11 move on gold that I caught on a single contract, and that shit moved fast. Now, the very quick instant breakdown, which does not require that much brain action, is very simply, you can see base being built, long hammer here. And what do I mean by base being built? I just mean you can see buyers try to step on in here, buyers try to take control, sellers took control, sold on off, and then buyers took control again, holding this general area. Sellers try to sell it off, and then boom, buyers again. So with that being said, at the time, none of this stuff existed other than this kind of candle, and it looked very bullish for a quick move, for quick in and out. Now, if we go on to 2 minutes, or let's go on to 1 minute, let's see how. So, I mean, you can see how quick that was, guys. I mean, this is the 1 minute here. Got it on the 1 minute hammer, very quick in and out. I mean, it's too quick to even really have fun with this. But MES, very fun, very interesting, and very solid, interesting price action. Let's break it down. While we were live, we spotted this very simple, nice support level, or which now acts like a resistance since we're below it. But the way I grabbed it, or the way I obtained this level, was grabbing this wick here, grabbing the low of that wick there, and literally just extending a range or a zone or a rectangle. And you can see now, here we are reacting off that general area. But right at open, we weren't there yet. Right at open, we were down here. And you can see this is New York City session when market open at 6:30 a.m. for me, my time. You can see we had a nice little bounce here first, rejected, bounce again. Buyers are really trying to take control, and this is why I entered long. So based off intraday price action, and what do I mean by intraday? When I say intraday, I mean occurring within the day. So today's price action, you can see New York City session market opens. Yeah, we have a little bit of redness or sell off in the beginning, but then buyers immediately take control and break above these most previous, or the opening, essentially. Then we did spot on live that you can take longs here, and we were eyeing it, but we missed it. Immediate push, then another push. But the second push, guys, we get here is at the resistance level. And again, I spotted another potential long idea, but I broke down why I'm not entering long here on the second pullback. Reason why is because we're right here at the resistance. If we enter here, we're gonna have to fight through the resistance, and we did. Even if we were to catch a good gain here, hindsight in favor, but we're just really close to the resistance. Taking the entry down here has a little bit more higher probability because you have more room to climb to the next resistance level, whereas in this case, we're already there. We already tapped it. We're already reacting off of it, and it's showing that sellers are taking control in a way. So to continue on, you can see buyers take control, buyers trying to step it on up. And guys, this is essentially where we took our short at. Not up here though, unfortunately. We actually entered down here, and it immediately runs almost a stop loss. If you guys were watching live, I almost got stopped out. I'm so glad I didn't. Either way, ends up selling off, and I end up selling for a quick, small, little $1, $2 gain. Really nothing. On a higher time frame, you guys can see how nasty that looks and how great it looks for shorts. Long wicks to the upside, indicating that sellers is taking control, guys. And that's all I do all day. It's just read candlesticks. Candlesticks is my friend. So with all that being said, I hope this video did help, and I hope you guys enjoyed this little segment. So I hope you guys enjoyed that very thorough breakdown. And guys, again, every single day we have been going live for 4 weeks straight. And I have to say that slowly for the people that don't hear it, because guys, we read candles together. We read price action together. We read what's going on together. I show you guys exactly how my brain thinks and operates under pressure, under a live trade, when I'm close to hitting stop loss. Like, all of these things are happening live, and we talk about the reality of trading live, because again, guys, it's not always perfect. Nothing is ever easy. Trading is not easy. Hitting 100% gains is not realistic. And so this is the reality of trading, guys. This is how we operate. This is how we show you guys the transparency. And so we're live every single day. And one thing is, you know who inspired me to go live every single day? Jay Dunn. He goes live with this community every single day. So I go live every single day, and I've been going live for 4 weeks now, every single day. So live trading, showing you guys exactly how it's done. And that's it. We don't overcomplicate it. We're not out here trying to shit on nobody's strategy. We're not out here trying to talk down no one. We're out here actually helping out the community. So anyways, guys, hope to catch you guys in here. And I would love for you guys to be a part of the community as well. So catch you guys on the next one.